Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study about alcoholic liver disease, which is a disease of liver. In earlier video we have also discussed so many disease that is related to liver. Today we will study about alcoholic liver disease. So let's begin. Alcoholic liver disease is a syndrome of progressive inflammatory liver injury associated with long-term heavy intake of alcohol. Means when a people is consuming on the regular basis high intake of alcohol, then it occurs by a progressive inflammatory liver injury and it is a long term disorder. Next, alcoholic liver disease usually persists and progress to cirrhosis if heavy alcohol use continue. Means if heavy alcohol use continue on the regular basis and increase day by day, then alcoholic liver disease usually persists and progress to final stage or more advanced stage, that is cirrhosis. Next, alcoholic liver cirrhosis is the most advanced form of the liver disease that is related to drinking alcohol. Means alcoholic liver disease is the most advanced or the final stage of the liver disease that is related to drinking alcohol, and the disease is a part of the progression. Means it increases day by day, and it may start with fatty liver disease, then it progress to alcoholic hepatitis, and further and last and more advanced stage it progress to alcoholic cirrhosis. Now their causes. First, it occurs when the liver is damaged by the excessive consumption of alcohol. Means when there is an excessive consumption of alcohol, when there is on the regular basis high amount of intake of alcohol, then the alcoholic liver disease occur. Next, malnutrition. Means many people while drinking, who are continue to drink heavily, they are malnourished. They can be by two reasons: either because they eat poorly, because they take heavy intake of alcohol, so they do not eat food properly. Maybe the reason is this, or second reason is this, that when they are consuming alcohol and when alcohol is metabolized, its toxic byproducts prevents the body from properly absorbing the food and break down nutrients, especially proteins, certain vitamins and fats, etc. In both these cases, there will be the nutrient contribute to liver cell damage. Next factor is obesity. Alcohol and obesity may have a synergistic effect on the liver, that is, their combined effect is worse than the effect of either of them alone. Means if an obese person is consuming alcohol heavily, then there will be more synergistic effect as compared to either alone, and their synergistic effect will worse day by day. Now their symptoms. First is, it may not have symptoms in the early stage. Symptoms tend to be worse after a period of heavy drinking. Means the alcoholic liver disease have no symptom in the starting age, and symptoms tend to be more worse and more worst after a period of heavy drinking. Next, some digestive systems are like decreased appetite and weight loss. There will be nausea and vomiting, dry mouth and increased thirst and fatigue, etc. Now, skin problems such as yellow color in the skin, mucous membrane or eye, and it is known as jaundice, very dark or pale skin color, redness on the feet or hand, some itching type problems, etc. Now, if people is aware about their alcoholic liver disease, after that he or she is not taking proper care, then there are some complications that are likely to be caused. First is increased blood pressure in the portal vein. Portal vein is that provide food and nutrients and blood to the liver. Enlarged vein, that is also known as varices. Jaundice. Hepatic encephalopathy. Hepatic encephalopathy means there will be the accumulation of abnormal fluid in the liver, which will cause abnormal functioning of the liver. Next, their diagnosis. First is liver function test. What we will do in liver function test? In liver function test, we will measure various type of enzymes, that is that is responsible for working properly or functioning of liver. If the enzyme level is below or above than normal, then we can say that a person is having alcoholic liver disease. Next, ultrasonography. Next, liver biopsy. What we will do in liver biopsy? Liver biopsy is basically a laboratory technique in which we will take a sample, a piece or a part or a cut of that part of the liver which is being affected, which is not working properly, to diagnose what the disease occurs, and that part we will analyze or detect in a laboratory and confirm that which type of disease is we have exposed. Next, screen blood test. In screening blood test, we will take a sample of blood and we will examine in the lab, and we will measure various type of levels of enzyme, etc. Now, their treatments. There are various type of treatments. So, first is alcohol use must be stopped. As we know, high intake of alcohol, high consumption of alcohol on the regular basis, or heavily intake of alcohol increase the abnormal functioning of the liver. So, we should avoid intake of alcohol. Next, care should be taken to ensure good nutrition. As we know, while consumption of alcohol, the people forget or people do not care about their food, and by consuming alcohol, the absorption rate of the food decreases. So the nutrients from the food is decreased in our body, and the people should become weak, and even all tissue and cell damage. So we should be aware, or we should take care of what particular good nutrition we are going to eat. Next, patient with coagulopathic should receive vitamin K parenterally. Means patient with coagulopathic who have coagulation very well, they should receive vitamin K parenteral, means that can be IV, etc. Next is liver transplant. When our liver is completely or fully, entirely unable to function properly, at that time our last option is liver transplant. And in this we will take a liver from a donor, and we will fix that liver, or we will transplant that liver in a particular receiver to function them properly. Next is surgery. In surgery is basically a last option when all other the medication and all other the treatments are not able to treat. So at that time we will take surgery. In that we will constitute, or we will cut, or we will remove that part of the liver which is being affected and cure the disease. Next is herbal agents. Some herbal agents are also available in the market, through which we can easily cure the disease. Now their pathophysiology. First, when people is consuming high or excessive alcohol, and there are many varieties of alcohol like beer, wine and liquor, etc. When we are consuming high consumption of excessive alcohol, then we should produce high toxic chemicals. Means alcohol produce high toxic chemicals, and that is acetaldehyde, which is produced during the breakdown of alcohol, and these chemicals trigger inflammation and destroy liver cells. Over time there will be wave-like scars, and small nodes of tissue replace healthy liver tissue, interfering with the liver's ability to function. And this irreversible scarring called cirrhosis, which is the final and most advanced stage of alcoholic liver disease. Means there will be the high consumption of excessive alcohol, beer, wine and liquor, etc., which will produce high toxic chemicals such as acetaldehyde during the breakdown of alcohol, and these chemicals trigger inflammation which will destroy liver cells, and over time there will be the formation of wave-like scars, and small nodes of tissue replace healthy liver tissue and damage all nearby tissue of the liver, which will interfere the liver ability to function. And this irreversible scarring is called cirrhosis, which is the last final stage of the liver damage, and this will cause alcoholic liver disease. And It will also decrease the absorption of food, and at last it will cause alcohol liver disease. I hope you all have understand my video. Thank you.